I really just almost sank it. Okay, I'm gonna put this GoPro back on and hopefully let all this water out, and then we'll continue fishing. So, I really almost just sank. Probably bumped over that log. Oh, it's a fish. No, there's a fish on that log. I watched him. He had it in his mouth underneath this log. Screwed myself. I thought I was coming over that log. Oh, gosh dang, I'm gonna screw myself again. There's one. There's one. There's one. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The first bass of the year has to be that big. You guys can't even see it. It's tiny. All three hooks that got in his face though. This is, oh, there we go. Well, there's the first giant of the year. About 5-6 inches. Oh, first fish out of the boat too. Gosh dang it. It's nice to catch one though. Finally caught one. Okay, let's see if we can catch one on this thing. This rod's really flimsy. Almost too flimsy, but I don't know. I wish I had a longer cork plate or cork thing, because like you catch any fish on this and it feels like a giant. There's one. There's one. There's one. Oh, don't lose him. Small, but look at that rod bend. Yeah, there's the second one. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know. I have pliers. Don't freak out. Okay, we're good. Sorry for the bad camera angle. There we go. There's the second fish. He doesn't even feel that cold. Being this cold. There's the second one. Ouch. Starting to move up. Oh gosh. The first Guggen jerkbait I had was not the Scout. This one's the smaller one, the Junior. The first one I had, the lip got broke off of it, so I can't use that anymore unless I replace the lip, which sucks. Oh, there's one. There's another one. There's another one. That's a crappie. Oh, sweet. That's a crappie. We're gonna actually throw him in the live well. Shoot. I didn't put the plug in. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. We gotta turn on the pump. Oh shoot. It's a big crappie. Shoot. Oh my, how much water's in here? Oh crap, we gotta get back. We gotta get back, we gotta get back. Nope. Here's the big crappie. I forgot the plug. I just realized that. We gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go before this thing sinks. Motherfucker. Gosh dang it. I gotta go. Frick. Anything to scoop it out with too. There we go. I think I got the plug in. Holy crap, that is not good. That is not good at all. Everything's soaked in here. Oh my gosh. Luckily it's all spraying out. Oh, and I probably broke that too. No wonder it wouldn't go. I really messed up here. I panicked because it's coming out now. Oh my gosh, how did I do that? Then I took off my trolling motor up. Gosh. I can't believe I forgot that. And then I forgot to pull this up because I started to panic. The reason I found out that that was filling up with water is because the water started coming in here. I looked down here and this is all wet. And the only way that's wet is if that's full. Because now I got something on it. I don't know, one of these pumps it out. Holy balls, that ain't good. Oh, that's spraying. Okay, that one's the one I need on, is this one right here. Oh my, I almost just sank this thing. Hey guys, so as you can see, I almost just sank my boat right there. That was a big mistake. I didn't realize it. How literally there was water on the floor underneath the seat, so that had to be full, and it's still spraying out back there. Everything, I was like, I don't know. I didn't realize it. No wonder it doesn't want to get on plane, but I was able to get the plug in from this side, luckily. So now it's just, I have that thing spraying out, but that can't be good for any of those batteries or anything, but luckily it's going down. So that was a little scary. I was gonna keep that crappie. And if I caught more, keep them and eat them, but you know. Oh, that was scary. Just giving you guys a little update. I'm gonna continue fishing, but I'm kind of trying to wait for that to. Then I made another stupid mistake and I started panicking, tried to start up the motor as my trolling motor's down. Could have just broke that thing. But that probably added so much more weight back there because it's still spraying out. made me panic. Made me really panic for a minute. I was like, I gotta get off this water and get that plug. But this one has a spot to hold that plug in on this side, so I just grabbed that, pulled it tight, and twisted it till it got tight. Okay, let's go back to fishing. That water's gonna be running for a minute. I just left that back compartment open just because. And those buttons on here, I know what some of them are, but as you can see, I hit the horn one. But that top one is the bilge pump to pump it all out, so. Gosh, that water's still running now. Which I know it has to be full like. There's one. They're all tiny, but I'm fine with catching them. Oh, he's bright. Oh gosh. I might have to grab the pliers. This wild one. Stop. Look at the colors on him. That one's sweet. That one's really sweet. Look at, he's really vibrant. I'm gonna get him back. I'm gonna grab my pliers though. Okay, so all the water's finally out. It's finally stopped running out. I'm gonna leave this open, just hopefully dry some things out. I don't know, but we're just gonna keep fishing. It's out, water's out, so we're good. We're fine. Might be tangled. Gosh dang it. I don't think so. Maybe not. There's one. They're all small, but I don't care right now. I'm having fun catching them. Oh gosh. Stop. Oh my gosh. You're making it worse on yourself. Stop. Okay, well, he's off. Sorry, there's number, I don't even know what. He was trying to stab me. There's another one. He just swiped at it. That one's a little chunky one. He just swiped at that, but I'm not taking risks here. Are you kidding me? There. Stop! Oh my gosh. What is he doing? He's trying to stay. Gosh. Oh shoot. There's our other one. Really shallow. Getting back. Splish. And he shot right under the boat. Moving up soon to start bedding. Oh my. There's another one. That one's small. That one's tiny. Teeny weeny. Sank. I want to stay away. Don't shake. Open your mouth. There we go. They're all about the same size. Still fun. Oh, he's got a leech on him. Just get that off of him. Now it's on me, but it's a freaking tiny leech. There's another one. They're all so small. Where's the big mop? Okay, quick release. Makes it easy on me. I don't have to mess with the pliers. I don't want to cast too far up in there. It's so weedy. There's another one. Oh, that's a little better, but not really. It feels better, but he's hooked weird. Oh gosh, yeah, he was a little better. Probably the best one so far. We're tearing him up. Stop. Stop. I don't want to. Come on, get out of there. Okay, let me get this bottom one first. That's hooked way in there. Come on, I need to get the fish back. Oh, he's bleeding, so we're gonna get him back. He's bleeding. He's good. It was just where I hooked him. I hooked him on the under side of his chin. What the heck's going on here? This is where I hooked him. I hooked him on the other underside of that chin, so it hooked him really good. That was the best one. Sorry, I couldn't really show it to you guys. But there's another one. Another one bites the jerk bait. Another one bites the jerk bait. Another one bites the jerk bait. They're chunky in here. Stop. Stop. You're barely hooked. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just go. There we go. Oh my gosh, they're making it a pain for me. Hey guys, so I'm gonna end the video there. I got the boat all loaded up and everything. My trolling motor started to die at the end because of this wind. It's so freaking windy out here, and I didn't charge it last time I went out, so that was kind of a dumb mistake by me. But yep, I'm gonna end the video there. It was a scary day when that water got in there. I'm used to kayak fishing, so I'm not usually worried about a plug. So I don't know, it made me panic a lot, but I got it fixed and everything, and we got everything taken care of. So I'm glad nothing happened. Turned out good. I actually caught some fish today. We were catching quite a few, honestly. I don't even know how many we caught, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm trying to reach 40 subscribers, so please hit that and keep watching the videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.